Here's a set of Vive 17T turbos that had an issue. The issue didn't have anything to do with Vive's quality. It's a possibility there could have been an issue. These possibly could have been rebuilt before too. The main concern with these, the condition that they're in right now, is that where debris went through the journal bearings, when it scars up the turbine shaft that bad, it can make it very difficult to balance because it doesn't ride properly on the balancer. The other issue that's an even bigger problem is that when that tolerance is lost, it won't spin the bearings fast enough. The journal bearings are supposed to spin at half the speed of the turbine shaft, and when that's not happening and starts to slow down, it loses oil pressure or oiling to the center of the bearing and the turbine shaft, which accelerates the wear on the turbine shaft and eventually just destroys the turbine, and the journal bearings. Usually, or last time I tried to rebuild something like that, it only lasted 4,000 miles. So you really need to replace the turbine shaft if the tolerance is not proper.